Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and then search in right hand side and then enter your model number of your motherboard B860 DS3H WiFi6E, then hit enter. And then click to product and click to title of the page. Then click to support. And select operating system Windows 10, 11. So install any, but installation process same. So WLAN guys, this is Wi-Fi, means Intel Wi-Fi driver. So click to download. Then it is done. Just single click to open, double click to launch. Then click yes. Now this is extracting and close is installed.